Welcome to
Sa
Angeles
pag-iintay
City,
at saka rin ang bola.
Barangay.
At the first possession for the team. Kulog-kulog. Shot right.
Pass.
Deflected. Kyle.
Kicks out. Number 13,
Dumating na
Ata.
siya ng
The lead.
tira ni Bola. Nagawa na bola. We're set to 14. Okay, there's a whistle. Come back the Giant Lanterns. Second pitch. Cross to number 41. Kapagandang defense sa end ko si Paa. Napitawan. Recover. Paa. Cross. Pit back. Ang tira na set. Sina, working natin ang pinagawa ng tira for the Barangay Palomoro. Nice pass. PBN, by the way, shot ball, rebounds. Andres ball, cross to Guile. Shot up 12 seconds. Akira Cruz, power play. And still, mission is scored. Ang ginala pero na cover. Napakagandang defense dito ng Barangay Palomoro. 15 seconds shot up. Enopia. Signal in the play. Shot up 10 seconds. Enopia jump shot. No get the rebound in Akira. Pass dito kay Pana. Swing pass to Kenji Monan. Giving the ball. Great pass to Guy. Napakagandang play. Using the glass. 8-2. Enopia still. Naita si Sakuragi. Napapabalik. Piyak na ba? Piyak. That's good. Thank you. Paan. Kaso kay Pirana. Tumikada ng bomba. Deal. Ito nagtatakbuhan na. Ito ang players sa mga Enopia. It's good for Gil. 54. 11 point lead for the defending champion. Ito si Paan. Super important team ACP. Steal. Kenji Moran. Another steal. Akira Cruz. Steal. Okay, steal. Akira. Ganda pasahan. Akira Cruz. That's good for Jill. Ito, 24 na. Labangan. Enopia jump shot is good. Kebana. Swing two. Chokoran to Ika fadeaway jumper. Chokoran. Pass to number 10. Taes. Naiwan ng bola. Another steal. Another steal. Shot to Paa. Sayao Yeni. Terpan. First Richel basket. Second Richel. Basket. 34-6 officially scored.
34-6.
Ito na naman si Naes. Pass on. And Naes. Nice. Lonchon. Swing the dial. Tumikata ng pagka. One. And 8 seconds another steal. Big bounce pass. Nagawa ng bola. Baseline drive. It's good. 45 seconds. Number 41. Stop for the long throw. Short. Offensive rebound. Ito, ganda. Big wala na naman. Offensive rebound. Naman sa kabilang 18 seconds. Tumingin. Naman. Number 41. Wala na naman. Di na ulit. Sakto. 10 seconds. Long. 5 seconds. Quick cross. Yeli.
And
Steal. Nakita na ng bola. Pass. Jump shot. Short. Kanan na mo. Left pass. Sakto. Sakto. Inulong na rin sa rin. Sino? Ito nagtatapuan na board of pocket guys sa mga number 2, Charson. It's good for 2. Pinawinan. Number 11. Fiat sidestep, short, put back open. Ito si Peña, pag-ibot na ball riders up in our Chanson. Kaya sa number 0, Inopia. Sidestep, blocker, watch it bounce. Shot clock, 15 seconds. Inopia. 10 on the shot clock. No. Offensive rebound, jump zone, rebounds. Paanidiskarte. Ito tuloy-tuloy pa. Back rating, Spurs. Bigay dito kay Peña. Malakas naman ang tira. Put back, walang akawan. Ang bola dito. Rebound for the team. Sa bako. And Alvia, it's good for 2. Pa. 15 on the shot clock. Quick cross in and out dribble. Inside pass of Mr. Lomano. 18 seconds shot clock. Bounce pass on pass. Fade away jumper. It's good. Pa. Quick cross. Big and out. It's good for 2. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Padilla, recover. Pump, pass, bias. Jump the shot. It's good for 2. Nabulo pa rin ang may awak ng kalamangan. Quick cross ni Paapi. Mr. Paa. Coaches dito sa Pampanga. Coach Alan Trinidad. Okay, basket. Napakaganda floater. Pass. Big pass on number 61. Whipping the ball, what a nice pick. Naiwan ang bola. And that's a turn. Bitawan ng bola. Umupo yan. Okay, Paa. Sugayin kay Paa. Okay, Mr. Paa. 24 seconds, nice. Taking the ball, jump step. Mr. Pants is good. Ito na naman, pinagano na control. 18 on the shot clock. Akira. Jumps on, deflected the seal ni Paa. Pass on, Kyle Guevara. Bigay dito kay Chong Moral. 15 seconds shot clock. Sakuragi, Quinto. Straight to Kyle. Okay, it's good for 2. Pass to Kyle. No good. Rebound to Paa. Left pass on Justin Vintor. Using that pass. Number 2. Left pass, Andrew play. It's good for 2. Ako naman sabi ni John Morales. Using the glass. Pass to John. Pass to Nikita. Jump shot is good. Nikita Cruz. 1 minute and 55. The first layup. Okay, lucky bounce. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Paa. Cross on a guy again. Paa. Dogged. Rebound. Justin Gonzalez. Good for 2. Okay, steal. Hernandez. Ito na nagmamadali na si Hernandez. Off the post. Basket down. Like that's so. 9 minutes and 50. Espino. Straight pass. Cross to Espino. Pass to Run. Big that's good. Steal. Number 11. Campanas. Mr. Campanas. Now pass. Pass Espino. Pakikita kay Cam. Swing to number 21, Carbon. Napakagandang pasa. What a nice look. Papunta kay Carbon. 7-23, Kapanas. Steal. Pass on the mono. Ito nagtatakbuhan na pero deflected dito. Number 1. Good. Pass the mono. Big hit down. Big to the score natin. Number 41, Hernandez. Kontra dito kay Jan Perez. Ang iniskate. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Hernandez pinasultan. It's good for 2. Pali sa itaas. Dito na sa ring 10 seconds shot clock. Baseline drive. Mr. Peña, number 25. Uy. Steal. Pass. Yeah, it's good. Back to back. Point. Number 71. Hernandez. Steal again. And this is Pino. Sebastian. Pass on. Rowena. Grab to Mr. Peña. That's good for 2. Number 2. Number 41, Hernandez, it's good. This last 2 minutes is brought to you by Round Play, the official partner of Liga Power Ups using the glass basket. 45 seconds. Number 71, Babali sa glass basket count. Over. Peña, number 25, it's good. Peña.
Thank you.